Hello, this is Chad Chilius for CreativePro, and in this video I wanted to show you how to add copyright information to a PDF file that you're using. Now, there's a number of reasons why you might want to copyright your information. One, of course, is to protect your data. Anything that you publish, you want to make sure that everybody knows who the author is and who's responsible for that content. So with a PDF file open, the easiest way to do this is to come up here to your File menu and choose Document Properties. And in the Document Properties panel, you'll notice that there are 6 categories up here at the top that you can choose from. And the area that we want to go into is the description area. Now, when you first go into this area, you're going to see a number of different metadata fields here, which includes title, author, subject, and keywords, all of which are important to add to your document. One of the reasons that this is useful is because it helps with search engine optimization. It helps people find your document when they're looking for it online. So giving your document an appropriate title, maybe some keywords, is super helpful. Now, to get to the copyright information, you can click on the Additional Metadata button in the lower right corner of the metadata fields. And when I click on that, that's going to open up a different set of metadata options, as you can see. Now, the title, author, description, and keywords is still in this dialog box, but down here at the bottom is where you can add your copyright notice, right? So you have the ability to set a copyright status. So if we want, we can go ahead and choose that this content is copyrighted. You can add a copyright notice if you choose to. And then down here, you can add your copyright info. So here what I might do is put the little copyright symbol and type 2026 Chad Chilius, right? And so that way, if anybody opens up your PDF file, they can easily go to the metadata area of your document to see what the copyright information is. And all I have to do now is simply click OK and OK again. And you want to remember to save your document. That way that copyright information is saved within that document.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.